Today inshallah we are going to have the new sound, which is the sound ow, First we have the word cloud. Number 2 we have mouth. 3 we have out. 4 we have count. 5 the last word is loud. So our sound is the sound ow. Again, ow. Now listen to this sound, grade 2.
Hello, Carrie.
Doo-roo-dee-doo-roo, let's sing! O-U-ow, ow, cloud, ow, ow, cloud, ow, house, ow, ow, house, ow, couch, ow, ow, couch, ow, south, ow, ow, south, ow, mouse, ow, ow, mouse, ow, bounce, ow, ow, bounce, ow, round, ow, ow, round, ow, ground, ow, ow, ground. One more time. Ow, cloud, ow, ow, cloud, ow, house, ow, ow, house, ow, couch, ow, ow, couch, ow, south, ow, ow, south, ow, mouse, ow, ow, mouse, ow, bounce, ow, ow, bounce, ow, round, ow, ow, round, ow, ground, ow, ow, ground. One more time. Ow, cloud, ow, ow, cloud, ow, house, ow, ow, house, ow, couch, ow, ow, couch, ow, south, ow, ow, south, ow, mouse, ow, ow, mouse, ow, bounce, ow, ow, bounce, ow, round, ow, ow, round, ow, ground, ow, ow, ground. Doo-roo-ki-doo-roo, doo-roo-ki-doo-roo, doo-roo-ki-doo-roo.
Okay, now I will show you how do we write the ow sound. Okay, grade 2, look here, we use only line 2 and 3 to write the ow. This is ow. This is ow. Ow for out, ow for cloud, ow for mouth, ow for house, for also mouse. Okay, we write it like this. We use only 2 and 3 to write the ow sound. Now look at this page 9 on your Jolly Phonics. You are going first to read these words. Okay, read the word and then draw a circle around the ow sound, our new sound, ow. Then go here and trace the sound ow. Okay, grade 2. Then look at this word here. We have loud, cloud, and sound. Okay, we are going to segment the words to different sounds. First we have loud. We are going to write O here and the sound ow here and the sound d here. Okay, so we write the ow together. We write them as one sound. Number 2 we have cloud. Write k, o, ow, d. Okay, then s, ow, n, d. Sound. Okay, then here we have 3 sentences. We are going first to read them, then try to find in each sentence a word that has the sound ow. Okay, number 1 we have cloud and rain. Cloud and rain. So which of these words has the sound ow? Number 2 we have do not shout. Do not shout. Number 3 we have count to 3. Count to 3. Okay, grade 2. find the words that has the ow sound and then read these sentences. Now I will show you the capital letters for different sound. First we have the sound for egg, for elephant. So this is the small sound. Now I will show you how do we write the capital sound, the capital letter of E. Okay, we use line 1, 2, 3, then here. Okay, this is the E capital. We write it like this, and here we have the H sound. H for house, H for hat, hand, head, and hot. Okay, and we write the capital H or the capital H like this. Okay, from line 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then like this. This is the H sound. Now let's move to other two sounds. We have and and This is a small and the capital like this. This is the capital okay, this is the capital we write it like this. The capital, we write it like this. And here we have small and the capital one, we write it like this. Okay, grade 2. So only the capital we use for them 3 lines, but the small letters for M, we write it from line 2 to 3 like this. Okay, and also the small like this. Okay, let's move to our tricky words that we have learned them in this year. We have the word give, number 2, 1, 2, only, old, little. And our new word for this lesson is the word want. Want. Again, want. Okay, so then we use it when we ask someone to give us something. I want, for example, a pencil, or I want to go to school, I want to play, I want to watch TV, I want to drink some water, like this. Okay, grade 2. Now let's move to the last picture. Here you are going to write the capital letters. You are going to trace them. Okay, then you are going in task 2. You are going to segment the words. Here we have out, so they wrote here ow and t. Okay, loud, write the sound here, and we write the ow as one